The day in the life of a youth tour coordinator starts at 4 a.m. Yep, that's me. Totally not a 4 a.m. type of person, so let's fix that. Okay, that's just a little bit better. The day before, I packed up a bunch of goodie bags for our students, and we are going to load them onto the bus, as well as get myself up there, and let's see who's on, and there they are, chaperones and students. Let's go get even more students on our way to Springfield on our charter bus. We've got a full bus here, bright and early and chipper. That's what we like to see. So appreciative of this awesome group of students. We entertained them a little bit with some bingo on the drive, and then arriving to the Abraham Lincoln Hotel, we enjoyed a little bit of breakfast. So that was a nice way to start our day after learning even more about what to expect thanks to these nice itineraries that are provided. We really look forward to getting started with our walk to the state capitol. Yes, we do walk, and it was such a beautiful day. We were so lucky with this weather, but this is just the start of our walking journey. How awesome is this scene with all of the students in front of the capitol? There's some more walking. Yep, we got stairs and just a beautiful scene to be walking in, and just really cool to have these students at the capitol really advocating for Illinois electric and telephone cooperatives and how important they are to our communities. We are wait to meet with our legislators. So grateful to meet with Senator Jill Tracy. She squeezed us into her schedule and even welcomed us onto the Senate floor. So that was a really special time for the students and a first for me. I hadn't been there before on any of my youth days. This is the start of our official tour of the state capitol. So this is the House of Representatives. And then we walked out onto the next level, and they just don't make buildings like this anymore, do they? Just absolutely beautiful. The students were really taking it all in, listening to our tour guide, learning all about Capitol facts, Illinois facts, and just really embracing the experience that they're having on Youth Day. Shout out to my team right there. And this is why you wear comfortable shoes, ladies. Such a gentleman. Representative Kyle Moore squeezed us in as well. So thankful for his time. And off we go, leaving the Capitol back to the hotel for some lunch and listening to our keynote speakers, Micah Anderson, our very own YLC. And then following him was our state treasurer, Michael Frericks. Awesome message for our students. We then, after lunch, traveled to the Abraham Lincoln Museum, and that was just always a highlight for our students, whether you've been there before or have never been there. Awesome experience. Headed back to the hotel for interviews. Students interview for their opportunity to earn the chance to go to Washington, D.C. this summer. Can't tell you how many times I climbed the stairs, but the students were awesome, and we ended up having 2 winners and 1 alternate. There they are. Congratulations, guys. Let's get back on the bus and head home. We're going to dive into those goodie bags, reminisce about how awesome Youth Day was, talk a little bit more about Youth Tour, and I can't wait till next year.